Hello guys, Guy here. Well, my last video about programmers did well, so here's part 2. 5 more types of programmers. Number 1 is the criminal. This is the type of programmer that makes software that harms your computer. They might do it for fun, or they might do it for the money. Either way, they are a criminal. Here's an example. Yes, this ransomware will affect trillions. It will earn me so much money. I will be a billionaire. I will... Number 2 is the legacy. This type of programmer worries about backwards compatibility so much. More than anything. The app they make might run on a Commodore 64. This is an example of one. Supported platforms. Alright, let's do this. Number 3 is the fake programmer. This is the type that claims to be a programmer when in reality they only know programming terms from videos like this. Here's an example of one. Guys, you just have to do some if else and it works, guys. From billionaires. Number 4 is the corporate slave. These people are the slaves of the corporate overlords. They don't eat. They don't sleep. They only program. Here's an example. Eat. Sleep. No. I need to implement this. Where is the new feature? What do I pay you for? You are fired. But my wife and kid... Fire! Number 5 is John Carmack. He is the super genius alien overlord that uses incomprehensible language techniques to ensure our survival among the cybernetic intelligences that try and destroy our beings with artificial intelligence. He is the sentient galaxy brain memed, hyperspace cybernetic intelligence and juvenile delinquency psychic, super soldier prototype, and Brazilian jiu-jitsu practitioner that makes all of us bow to his amazing being. He is John Carmack. There is no example. He's always there. He watches. He knows. Oh no. Thank you guys so much for watching. I honestly can't appreciate you guys enough. Well, this was the end of another video. If you want to see a part 3, you know what to do. Leave a like or leave a comment, and I will surely make a part 3 in the near future. Again, thanks for watching. Guy out.